Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about the continue statement in C++. Continue statement is used inside the loops. Whenever a continue statement is encountered inside a loop, control directly jumps to the beginning of the loop for next iteration, skipping the execution of the statements inside the loop's body of the current iteration. The syntax of the continue statement is simple. You just write continue. Now we just see the example of this continue statement, and here I just write a for loop. So for int number which is equal to 0, then I just write num which is less than or equal to 6, then num plus plus. Here I just write if num which is equal to 3, and I just write continue, and here I just write cout which is less than num, and then the empty string. Okay, now afterwards I just write here return, and the return is 0. So this means that when the value of num is equal to 3, this continue statement would be encountered, which would make the control to jump to the beginning of the loop for next iteration and skipping the current iteration here. You can see I just first of all I just define the for loop. I just cannot define as an integer here because I just write integer in the for loop, and then I just write if condition. So if 3 is equal to, sorry, num is equal to 3. So here I just define the continue statement, and then I just print cout and return 0. Now just check the output for this code. So the program is compiling here, and yes, this is the output. You can see this num is equal to 3, so 0 1 2, it's skip the 3 here, and 4 5 6. So this is a simple example of continue statement in C++. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.